welcome to this new episode, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off auto answer on iPhone call. So if you're using an iPhone and you automatically want your iPhone to pick up your calls for you, you can easily turn on the features on your iPhone. So you learn both method here on how you can turn off this feature to auto answer call on your iPhone and how you can turn off the feature to not auto answer call on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, you want to scroll down and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down and tap touch under physical and motor. Then scroll down until you get to call audio routine and tap that. Once you click on that, here you have three options available. You can see there's automatic, Bluetooth headset and speaker. Now to auto answer call on your iPhone, all you need to do is tap auto answer calls, and then once that is done, click on this feature to enable auto answer call on your iPhone. Then you want to select how long you want your iPhone to ring before your iPhone will automatically auto pick this call. So if you want it to be 5 seconds or 10 seconds, so let's say you want it to be 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Once that is done, just hit the power button and your iPhone will to answer your phone call. However, you want to choose whether your iPhone is on Bluetooth headset or on speaker. For best results, you want to select automatic so that when your iPhone is on Bluetooth or speaker, the auto answer call on your iPhone will be activated. So guys, this is how you can easily turn on and turn off auto answer call on iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to level up, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.